In this video, we will explain what events are and how they are related to the news articles. When searching for articles, it's very common to find yourself in a situation where you see long lists of articles from different sources that are describing the same things that happened. In our example, we can see that the articles are mainly describing the recent settlement between Apple and Qualcomm. Such a collection of news articles that describe the same thing is what we call an event. To see articles grouped into events, you can switch to the Event view. For each event, you can then see what happened, when, where, and what the event is about. If you want to learn all the details about a particular event, you can open it and see the full coverage of the event by different media sources. You can even change the language to see the reporting from different countries. You can also view who and what the event is about, visualize most mentioned words, and even find other related events.